A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit has sided with the Trump administration, allowing the government to continue its controversial practice of firing probationary federal employees. This ruling blocks a previous lower court decision that had ordered the reinstatement of thousands of workers dismissed earlier this year. The court's decision, delivered in a narrow 2-1 vote, is a crucial victory for the administration, which has been actively pursuing a strategy to downsize the federal workforce as part of a broader agenda to overhaul various governmental offices and programs. The firings, which occurred in February, were among the first steps taken by President Trump to reshape the federal civil service, and they have since been embroiled in a series of legal battles concerning their legality. The recent ruling comes just one day after the Supreme Court vacated another lower court's order that had mandated the reinstatement of employees from 6 federal agencies. This series of decisions has left many workers in limbo, as the legal status of their firings remains uncertain. The appeals court did not make a determination on the legality of the firings themselves, but indicated that the Trump administration would likely prevail in arguing that the lower court lacked jurisdiction over the case, which was brought forth by 19 states in the District of Columbia. The court's ruling has been met with disappointment by public sector unions and civic organizations that have been fighting to protect the rights of the affected employees. These groups argue that the mass firings undermine the stability of the federal workforce and violate the principles of fair employment practices. As the legal battles continue, many of the probationary employees who were previously reinstated are now facing the prospect of being let go once again. The Trump administration has cited the financial burden and inefficiency of the reinstatement process as reasons for pursuing these layoffs. In light of the ongoing challenges, some agencies have started to offer deferred resignation options to employees, allowing them to resign while still receiving pay and benefits until September. This move has led to mixed reactions among employees, with some opting to accept the offers while others remain uncertain about their future. The Department of Health and Human Services, for instance, has reported that over 300 of the 2,400 probationary employees reinstated have already received termination notices as part of the agency's reorganization plans. As the Trump administration continues to implement its workforce reduction strategy, the implications of these rulings will likely be felt throughout the federal government, as agencies prepare for potential mass layoffs and restructuring. The situation remains fluid, and further developments are expected as the courts delve deeper into the legality of the firings and the administration's broader workforce policies. As the legal landscape evolves, the fate of thousands of federal workers hangs in the balance, raising questions about job security and the future of public service employment in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.